My name is Shelley Burrich and I'm the founder and owner of Valhalla Vanilla in Samoa. We are an organic vanilla farm. I make my own composting and mulching to feed the vanilla. And from the vanilla beans, we export our premium beans, which are the grade 1s and 2s. And from the other beans, I make value-add products like vanilla syrup, vanilla extract, vanilla powder. Before COVID, I was relying a lot on tourists that would be coming to the islands. I was getting farm tours, people looking to come and visit the vanilla farm. And a lot of my business was by word of mouth. And so when the borders closed, that stopped. So I had to figure out a way of how to keep my business generating products and getting it outside of Samoa. So I decided to go full-time into the social media realm. I created an online store. My products are now being sold to Ireland, Japan, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the States. They're going all over. So I would not have been able to do that if it hadn't been for COVID and making me diversify into doing something different and thinking outside of the box. I'm doing a lot more on the social media platform. My reach, even though I'm sitting here in Samoa, I'm actually building online stores for customers in Canada.